discuss the identity a plus b whole square, that is a square plus 2ab plus b square. Now come on first question we have to factorize it, that is 9x square plus 6xy plus y square. You have seen in lower classes also. See here, how can I factorize it? See, what is, first of all I have to convert in standard form. This is my standard form. So how can I convert it? See, a square plus 2ab plus b square. Okay, I have to make it here 9x square, but what I have to write inside the bracket, see, 9 is equal to 3 square, and x square I can write x then square, isn't it? This is a square plus 2ab, whatever is this you have to write here. Okay, now come on, here is y square is already here, then y, and whatever is this you have to write here. Whatever is this you have to write here. Now you compare it, this and this. Okay, then what will be here? A is your 3x and b is your only y. So what will be its answer? 3x plus y whole square, with the help of identity a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square, with the help of this identity. Okay, come on, one more we are doing. See here, this is same question, a square plus 2ab plus b square, like this, because plus is there, identity of plus. Then I am converting in standard form, a square plus 2ab plus b square. Here is 25 square, so I can write 5x inside. Whatever is here you write here 5x. Here is y, so put y there inside. Then what is, a will be your 5x and b is your y. So what will be our answer? 5x, because plus sign will be here, then y whole square, with the help of which identity? A plus b whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Come on the next question. Yes, come on identity a plus b whole square, a square plus 2ab plus b square. And what is the question? 52 square. You have to find the value of it with help of identity. Okay, directly we can find the value, but in question it is given, we have to solve and find the value with help of identity. First of all, what can I do? Can I write 52 in this way? This is okay, 50 plus 2 whole square. But before it, what will be the answer? Can we find out directly by our previous method, very important method, that is of Vedic method. See here, it is very easy and interesting. Vedic method. What will be the answer we can get in a line within a second? See here, 2 2s are 4, 5 2s are 10, 5 2s are 10, 20, and 5 5s are 25. 2704 will be the answer. Okay, this answer we have to find out by this your help of identity, a square plus 2ab plus b square. What is a? A is your 50, then 50 here, then 2, that is 2500. 52 is 100, 100 2s are 200, plus 4, it is coming 2704. Now come on. The next question is fourth one. This is your 104 whole square. If we have 3 digits given to you and you have to find its square, So there is no problem. 104 can I write in easy way? 100 plus 4 whole square. Okay. But question is, can we solve this by our Vedic method? Okay. See here, it's very easy. Again, we can get the answers in seconds. First multiply this 4 4 the 16. 0 0. Here is 0. Then 4 plus 4 8 and here 0 8. Okay, then these two terms 0. Then last term 1. What is the last answer? 816. This you have to find out. Come on here. By identity. What is our identity? A square plus 2ab plus b square 100, 100, 4 and 4. That is your 10,816. Can I write in this way? This is the answer. Okay, come on the next identity.